Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Adventures. Today I wanted to share some of my must-have RV items with you guys. Alright, so other than the essential items for the RV like the sewer hose, surge protector, water hose, pressure regulator, and things like that, which I have covered those on how to set up an RV video, and if you want to see that video, I'll leave the link in the video description. But these items are to make your outdoor RV experience more comfortable, enjoyable, and safe. So with that said, the first two items on the list has to do with safety, and that is a portable tire inflator like the ones from last fit and Guada tire pressure monitor. Now, most modern vehicles are equipped with the tire pressure monitor, and that's because, well, it's the only thing that's in contact with the ground. So for all the safety reasons, you want to monitor it to keep you safely on the road. But what about your trailer or your RV? I mean, they have tires too, right? So you want to keep an eye out and make sure it's at the optimal air pressure. And it's really simple to do with the system like Guada tire pressure monitoring system. And the one that I got is the 6 sensor kit, but they have 4 sensor, 8 sensor, and 10 sensors as needed. And out of the box, they're pre-connected. So all you have to do is screw the sensor onto the bell stem. But if yours didn't come pre-connected, simply turn on the monitor, short press the code button, and bring the sensor to the location where it says code. And keep it there like this, and tap the code button again while holding the sensor at this location. Now once it's connected, repeat the steps to the rest of the sensors by pressing the plus or minus button to move it to the desired location. And the monitor will now start monitoring all the sensors. Now simply screw on the sensors to the corresponding tire position, and the display will show the pressure value for each tires. And it also has a temperature reading for each tires. It comes with the mounting kit for the display and a range booster in case you're towing a longer RV. Now this will monitor high and low pressure, high temperature, sensor low battery, fast tire leak, and sensor disconnect. And it will warn you with an audible alarm, and it'll show it on the display. And when it does, depending on the alert, you could fill the tires with the last fit TK1 tire inflator. And this thing is pretty small, but don't let the size fool you because it could inflate up to 150 psi, and it has 12,000 milliamp hour battery built into it, so it'll fill multiple tires. And with the dual cylinder motor, it could inflate up to 5 times faster compared to a similar size air compressor. And the power button is right in the middle, so just hold it until it lights up and it says on. And we could change the modes here by pressing this menu button. We have car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball, and custom setting. And back to car. And you could change the set PSI by either pressing the minus button or the plus button. And it also has a built-in flashlight, SOS button. And since it has a large battery built into it, you could use it as a power bank as well. And it comes with the air hose, a DC charging cable, USB-C charging cable, and all the adapters. And what's nice about this air inflator is that once you set your PSI to your desired PSI, and it reaches that PSI, the system will automatically shut it off. So you don't have to sit there and watch the PSI to shut it down. How cool is that, right? Plus, this is very small to store it anywhere and won't take up too much space. And I didn't include this in the list, but since we're talking about tires, everyone should have a tire repair kit in the car so that you can fix your tire and be on the road again quickly. And as you can see, I already used this multiple times to repair my tires. And a simple socket tool like this is also a great idea. And links to all the items that I'm showing you guys today will be in the video description for your convenience, so make sure to check them out. Now, these items are for your comfort while staying outside, and I'll start with the chair because, let's face it, you're most likely going to be sitting down while enjoying the outdoor. So you want to get a comfortable chair, and this no-side chair will do just that. It has a high back with the neck support, which gives you truly a comfortable sitting position. And you can also adjust the height to your liking. And what I like to do is I like to bring the front legs only because this will give you a better lounge sitting position when I'm truly getting ready to relax. And it is very comfortable. And once it's packed, it's much smaller and lighter than a traditional quad chair. And those things are not comfortable to begin with. But if you want even more comfort, try the swing chair from Camp. It is very easy to set up. Just take it out of the bag, open the frame, and lock it, and then put the seat on to each pole, and that's it. And you instantly have a comfortable swing chair. And you could also recline it or adjust the straps to be in a more upright seating position like this. But to truly get a use out of this, you want to recline it all the way and lay it down so that you're in a very comfortable, almost zero gravity sitting position while stargazing. Oh yeah, that's good. I mean, it's one of those things, if you never tried it, you should give it a try because it's very comfortable and it's truly relaxing. But I wouldn't use this chair as a main chair, maybe a second chair to just truly relax and, you know, end the day like this. You could actually even sleep here. That's how comfortable it is. Next, you need a table, and there are plenty of choices, but I went with Camp table because it's easy to set up and very sturdy. All we have to do is take it out of the bag, set the frame first, and these legs will just lock in right there. And then grab the tabletop, put it on the top, and there's a little lever that you pull and it'll snap into place. And there you go. And you have plenty of space for 4 people to comfortably dine with this table. And it's all aluminum constructed, so it's robust and will last very long time. And to keep things clean and tidy, this outdoor mat works great. We normally lay this on the ground and I put the table and the chair on top of this. And I got the 5x8, but they have different sizes available, so this is a great addition. Now, being in outdoors, naturally you'll get bugs and mosquitoes. I mean, there's no way around that. So you'll need a bug repeller. And I tried many different types of bug repellers like a bug zapper and those spray-on things. But this thing completely changed how I enjoyed outdoors. This is a bug repeller from Nightcore. And at first, I thought it was just a gimmick, but I still give it a try. And boy, was I surprised because this thing really works. All you need to do is just slide 2 of these bug repeller mats on each side like this. And within seconds, you have this dome of bug-free space. And it's rechargeable and it'll last all night, so I highly recommend this. And after the sun sets, you'll need a light to light up your campsite. And this lantern is a great way to light up your site because it has these magnetic bays, so you can stick it on pretty much anywhere that's metal. But it also comes with this hook and a place to screw on, like, say, a tripod, so you could actually stand this and light up your campsite that way too. But it also comes with these iron core patches, so if your ideal spot isn't metal, you could still use it with the iron core patch. And the power button and the USB plug to charge this thing is right here. And to turn it on, just tap the power button. And to adjust the brightness, just hold on to the power button and it'll go from low to high. And it also has a different color temperature, and you could also adjust the brightness. And to power it off, just simply tap the power button again. And with the single charge, it'll last up to 80 hours. And not only that, once you're done using it outside, you could bring this into the camper and stick it on the cabin to use it as a cabin light or in the pass-through storage space. So it has multiple usage. And a headlamp is a must because let's say you want to go for a walk before going to bed. Try this Nightcore headlamp. Not only it's bright and lightweight, but it also comes with the hat clip, so you could actually attach the light to your visor like this and bring this up, and this will light up the path right in front of you because normally if you're wearing a hat and you have the headlamp strapped to your head like this, you get this shadow right in front of you because of the visor. So I really love this headlamp and I always had this with me whether I'm RVing or camping. And when things are quieting down and you want to create a cozy environment, try this Fire Maple gas lantern. It comes in a very sturdy case, and all you have to do is just screw this onto the isobutane canister, light it, and turn off all the lights, and instantly you have a very cozy, calming environment to end the day. And they have different shapes and sizes, which I think I have most of them because I love them so much, and this is how I always end the day before going to bed. I mean, with some soft background music, it's truly relaxing. Now I want to go camping. Anyways, so you should definitely look into it. And what is camping without Campfire, right? So I always had this fire pit, and it's another great product from Fire Maple. And at first you might say, well, that's not a fire pit. Look at how small that is. Well, that's the whole point because space is often limited accommodation. So I like to save them when I can. And it's very easy to set up, but yet offers pretty good sized fire pit to warm up multiple people. Just take it out of the bag, open the legs, put the screen, and you have a fire pit. And if you like to cook over the fire, well, put the included grill on top of the fire pit and you have a fire pit barbecue grill. How cool is that, right? But if you live in a state that has fire bends like I do, you could still create that camping environment with the propane fire pit from LavaBox. Now, I also tried many different propane fire pits, but this has to be my favorite one so far because of the size and how much heat it outputs. I mean, I like it so much that I got a second one in stainless steel. But I haven't tried this one yet, but the reason why I got this updated version is because it has dual zone, which gives you a dedicated fire pit, just like the original one, but it also has a clean burning cooking fire. I mean, I was able to still cook with the original one, but it'll leave suds on the bottom of the grill, so that's why I got this. So I highly recommend this. And again, check out the link in the video description for these items, and I'll also have discount codes for you guys if they're available. And last few items are this trash can slash a stool slash a portable toilet from Trip Tips. And this thing lives in my vehicle all the time because it's multifunctional and it's very compact to slide under the front seats. And to use it, all you have to do is grab this end, twist, and pull out and lock it in place. Look at that. And you could also adjust the height too as needed. And once it's locked in, it's very sturdy and will support up to 380 pounds. And like I said, it's multifunctional. You could use it just the way it is to use it as a stool or as a side table. Open the lid and the seat and put a trash can in here to use it as a trash can, or you could put a solidifying powder to use it as a toilet. So it's a 3-in-1 deal and you can't get any better than that, right? And lastly, a trailer lock. Again, I tried out different locks and this one was the best one that I found, especially for the price. And I like this because you could also put the chains on the hook and lock it. And once it's locked, it's very sturdy and it's not going anywhere. I mean, if the thieves really wanted to steal it, I'm sure they'll find a way. But hopefully, with the lock system like this, they'll be deterred away and look for something easier target. So that's all I have for you guys today. For now, as I'm sure this list will grow as time goes by. And if I find something worthy, I'll post it in my Amazon storefront, so make sure to save it and check it out from time to time. And if you thought this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews and my recommendations. And I also make silent camping videos too, so you could get ideas and inspiration from those videos, so make sure to check them out. So thank you all for tuning in today, and until next time, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all in my next video. Now I have to put all these items back in my RV.